Hey guys, welcome to the lab. We are back with Marc Menchaca. Marc, how you doing?
I'm good, man. How you doing?
Good. It's flash forward. It's been a couple months. We put your hats into production, and the day has come. The hats have arrived. You're gonna see them before I see them, so I'm excited to do this.
Yeah, I'm. It feels like it's been more than a few months, but
yeah. Well, time flies. Time flies. Your movie came out. I got to watch it. You did also. You're the one quick thing was funny was when we were leading up and kind of trying to promote this. You sent that great picture of you and your co-star, and you guys were getting along so well. But then in the movie, you killed her pet. So I thought that was funny.
Yeah.
But yeah. All right. So let's break it down. So this first hat, what do you remember about making this hat?
I remember doing we were trying to get the colors integrated, going in, trying to make a Ford hat out of a baseball cap. I remember going through all these different iterations of the color layout, and there we got the red, white, and blue. I'm excited to see what it looks like.
Yeah, I think you mentioned this is going to match one of your trucks too, right?
Yeah.
So I'm excited. We did the Fayetteville Woodpeckers. We went through a couple different options. So they are one of the affiliates with the Houston Astros. So we wanted to make sure we get the state of Texas represented on it. So I'm super pumped about this hat. This was the first one we did. And then the second one we did, I think ties to a little bit of your Brooklyn ties. So I'm going to pull it up here for us to see.
And I think we kind of modeled it after a California hat that I had.
Yeah. Yeah. So we used the Brooklyn script, and it's kind of like a ties to both of your connections to both cities, and Brooklyn and California.
Did I have that hat on?
Yeah, you're wearing it.
Yeah, I was wearing that hat.
Yeah. I think it was one of the inspos for the colorway. You're like, yeah, I love black and gold.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're chatting here a little bit. I probably forgot to hit share again. And then yeah, we're black and gold. So this one is gonna be super cool.
That's gonna be dope.
Yeah, I can't wait for you to unveil this one. And we made the black hat. Yeah, this one's gonna be badass.
Oh yeah, we did that. I forgot about that.
Yeah. All the small details, they seem trivial at the time, but then we play out in person. All right, so that's the second hat. And then the third hat we did was the dirt bags. So this one looked like this. So the Long Beach. The Louisville Bats.
The Lone Bellow.
Yeah. So this one we hooked to that satin jacket you're wearing in the video.
That blue and yellow satin jacket.
Mm-hmm.
And then Guy Clark somehow came in there. Man, I wish I still had that jacket.
Yeah, that'd be so cool. They let you take, like, you guys went shopping for it, right? You said you got it at a thrift shop?
We did. I think Zach may have taken it.
I
can't remember.
Yeah, this one went to
Lone Bell is going to love these hats. I guarantee you they will play a show with these hats on.
I'm pumped. Yeah, I remember the dirt bags was a little harder to get approved, but we eventually got it done. So I'm excited for that one. And then last but not least, I think one of my favorites that I've ever done. So we did the TC for the creator. So this one had, I believe we did a Thailand flag at the back because that's where you guys did the filming. Looks like we took a little break. There we go. Back to work.
Back at it.
So yeah, so we did the TC.
TC, we did the colors that were on
The poster. Yeah, like that peach, the peach black and that green kind of teal color. We were trying to color match it.
Yeah, there were a few people I wanted to get one of these too for that I worked with on this. Allison Janney, which I'm excited. She was like, I love a baseball hat. I can't wait to see what this is.
That's awesome.
They don't have any. I didn't tell them what it was. I was just like, need your addresses.
Awesome. All right. Well, that's the 4. So painful enough for us to wait for them to arrive, but the production is done. And through the magic of TV, you have the hats.
See what they are. I've not seen these suckers yet. Oh man. That's awesome.
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. Beautiful.
Texas. Wait, I'm trying to get this on the camp.
The opposite. Yeah. There you go. Beautiful. Fits good?
Fits good.
Awesome.
Dude, I love this thing.
Boom.
It's super cool. All right.
All right. What else is in there?
And then the next is Brooklyn. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I don't even have these hats yet. Ooh. Beautiful.
Brooklyn.
Yeah, that was super.
Yellow and black back there. I can't wait to wear this and people will be like, where did you get that?
Yeah, but guess what? I'm a hat designer.
Wait,
there you go. Yeah, there you go. This is like signing day.
Oh yeah. Now who knows which? Did these say what size they are?
Yeah, they do. They do.
For the Long Beach Lone Bellow dirt bags. Got this.
I like that red touch.
Got the dirt bags. And then that was just the same color.
Yeah, the tonal flag. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Not too shabby.
Nice.
Not too shabby.
It's opposite.
Yeah, that's a great one.
And then for all these people I got these hats for, they have big heads. I don't know if you saw the sizes.
Well, I have size 8, so
are you kidding?
Yeah. I wear size 8.
Oh my gosh. Here's the creator.
Perfect. And then we got the Thailand flag. Oh, that's awesome.
That's really cool.
That's awesome. Beautiful.
Love it. Those are awesome, man.
Yeah, that's been a fun experience. We want to thank everyone for sharing and exploring that with us, and I can't wait for you to get those out and get those to some of your closest friends and coworkers and everything. That was an awesome experience to do that.
Yeah, man. This was super cool. I'm glad we got to do this.
Yeah, awesome. So the extras, the leftovers, will be put on sale with Pro Sports Colorado. So we'll put a link on the description to the video to cop those hats. The Marc designed 4-pack. Is he?
Yeah, buy the 4-pack.
Buy the 4-pack. But yeah, it's awesome, man. Like that set of hats for you. It's just it most of them are really personal hats, and they end up looking really great. So I'm really happy you're happy.
Dude, this one should fly off the shelves in Brooklyn.
Yeah. Do you have a favorite?
I don't know, man. I mean, I think they're all favorites for a different occasion.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
you got a good rotation now, though.
My new upstate hat.
Mm-hmm.
This I just can't wait to wear out in Brooklyn. I love. I mean, and then the other two, I just love that we were able to like do something, in honor of these two, this band that I love. They're good friends, and I've worked with, and the creator, which I really enjoy. Like, I'll be friends with those people for life.
Yeah, so that's awesome.
I don't know if I can't pick. Don't put me in the position of picking a favorite right now.
Well, I have thousands of hats, so I can't pick. My answer is always my next hat. So anyone asks me what's my favorite hat, my next one. So that's my answer.
Well, I mean, the hat I was wearing at the time was my favorite hat, and then I got this hat.
Yeah.
From a place in Austin, and that became my favorite hat. And now I'm on to other. It's funny. I put on the California hat the other day, and I was like, God, I used to be. I was inseparable from that hat, and then all of a sudden this one came along, and I'm inseparable from it. And now, I have to tell this guy I'll see you in a little bit.
It's okay. We'll keep them all in rotation. You don't got to lose any. But I thank you so much for doing this. This has been an awesome experience to kind of get to know you and tell your story and make something that means a lot to you. So I had a lot of fun doing it.
Yeah, man. Thanks. I had a great time. I'm glad we got to follow back up and see what they look like.
Perfect. All right. Well, shout out to Pro Sports Colorado for helping us sponsor and sell these hats and get them produced. Luke and the team, you guys do a great job.
Thank you, boys.
Yeah, for Marc and Leon, we're out of here. Peace.
Brought to you by VFTV.